Welcome to Stow Car Company in Chelmsford. Stow Car Company is an RAC approved Buy-Sure retailer. That means that all of our vehicles, cars and commercial vehicles pass through a strict 82-point RAC check in addition to our own workshop inspections. I do invite you to take a look at our hard-earned 5-star reviews on Google, Auto Trader, Car Dealer Reviews and also directly on the RAC website. We work very hard to maintain a 5-star rating. And that is the main purpose of these video presentations, really, to demonstrate the overall cosmetic appearance so you know exactly what you're coming to view or indeed collect. It's my pleasure to present today this very nice, unusual and rare Ford Transit Connect Combi. Second row of seats, so 5 seats in total. Presents in very, very good order. We purchased it direct from the previous owner. Drives exactly as you would expect it to. Of course, has service history and of course has both keys. We do aim to point out every mark or blemish. If we miss something very minor, it's certainly not deliberate. We aim to over-describe all of our vehicles so you know exactly what you're coming to view or indeed collect. As I take a look along the driver's side, first of all, you'll notice there are no nasty gouges, dents or dings. Certainly no nasty cracks in the windscreen and no dents in the roof. No ripples along the driver's side. And making my way inside, you'll see it's certainly not been abused. It's exactly as you wish to find it. Apologies for the sun glare here. But as you can see, no excessive wear on the seat base or the bolster. It smells fresh and clean inside. Everything looks as it should. No excessive wear on the steering wheel or on the gear selector. All the buttons look as they should. Everything does as it should as well. Then making my way inside to the rear. As you can see, you've got your second row of seats there. Very handy. And again, as you'd wish to find it, no evidence of abuse. Everything looks as it should. And making my way towards the rear quarter panel, again, nothing obvious to point out. Everything looks as it should. No scuffs on the bumper corners that I can see, no cracks in the rear lenses. Certainly no gouges or dents in the rear doors. This all looks okay as well. A little tiny mark lower down just here. There's a little dink that's tight. It's the tiniest of little dinks there. I reckon that's had a dent that's been removed. I did notice another tiny blemish somewhere. It's a tiny little blemish just there. But overall, it is virtually unmarked. In the rear, once again, you'll see no signs of abuse. Little mark there, a couple of marks on the inner sill to be expected on one of these. A couple of marks in the back here, but certainly nothing to get upset about. And then making my way along the driver's side, passenger side, again, no ripples, no dents or gouges that I can see. Then making my way inside, passenger side rear once again. Hardly any wear at all on those rear seats. And then passenger side front. Again, as you'd wish to find it. No scratches in the sills either. Couple of very light marks. I'm not being ever so fussy. Here's a couple of marks on the door card. But overall, very nice, well presented, drives exactly as you'd expect it to. On the front end, I would always expect a couple of stone chips. I'm sure this is no exception, but I'm struggling to find anything obvious at all. There's a couple of very light stone chips and a couple on the bonnet, but I'm being extra fussy there. Overall, presents very well. The only other thing to mention, in addition to the specification listed in the advert, previous owner had added an aftermarket rear camera, so that will remain, and it does currently work as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a shout at Stow Car Company in Chelmsford, and we'll answer any questions you may have. You can reserve this vehicle if you wish on the website. You can apply for finance there as well. Best to do all of these things over the phone with us if you wish. This is Stow Car Company in Chelmsford, and this is the Ford Transit Connect Combi 5 Seat.